Got some bacon frying up right there. And I'm browning some sausage. I also have 2 cans of beans. Once everything's brown, I'm going to put it all in this pot, which also doubles as a Dutch oven. Has a removable handle. And once my fire dies down, I'm going to put it in my clay oven and slowly cook it. This pork sausage is nice and golden brown. Bacon is crispy. I'm just going to add some of that bacon to the pot. Probably save a few pieces to nibble on. Now that my fire's died down, I'm going to shove all these coals inside my oven to heat it up. Then once it gets nice and hot, I'll pull all the coals out. So I'm going to add 1 can of beans with tomato sauce. Everything's starting to freeze up. And just a few kidney beans to make it more hearty. This is a special tool I made just for picking up this pot. Put my fancy door on and just forget about it for a while. I didn't actually make these buns. I just bought them and warmed them up. Not that good yet. It's really hitting the spot on a cold day. See, my cast iron pots and pans are all cleaned, ready for next time. The way I clean them is after I'm done cooking, I put some water in the pots and pans, put it back on the fire, bring it up to a boil, and this helps lift all the food deposits off the steel. I give it a good scrubbing with some spruce boughs. Wipe it with paper towel, put some olive oil or peanut oil back in the pots and pans, put it back on the fire, let that oil really cook into the steel, let it cool off, wipe it again with paper towel, and it's good for next time. If you're still watching, I really appreciate that. I have many other videos here on YouTube to watch, so please check them out.